Hi, I'm Chad. Today we will go through the different categories in the content library. Boma's content library holds hundreds of insightful articles that you can customize and share with your leads and clients, as well as posting on your website as a blog. First, let's click on the Content Library button. Now there are a few different ways to navigate through the library. You can search for a particular piece of content in the search bar. You can select a library that you would like to choose the content from, or you can make use of the global categories. By selecting a particular category, Boma will filter through the content to that specific category, for example, tax or compliance. To select a category, click the tick box on the left-hand side next to the category, which will immediately filter this list down. Now, let's say there is a specific topic that is not included in the global categories. You can search for a keyword using the search engine. Once you have clicked enter, the list will filter down all the articles that include that keyword. For example, insurance. If you would like to learn more about the content categories, feel free to reach out to our support team on support@bomamarketing.com or simply use the chat bubble in your Boma account. Thanks so much and bye for now.